Hello guys, here we will start number programs in Java. So we are starting with our first question. Write a program to accept a number and check whether it is a Jupyter number or not. What is a Jupyter number? Jupyter number is a number which is divisible by the sum of the first and last digit of that number. So we will add first and last digit of a given number, and then we will check that it is divisible by that number or not. So we are taking package to accept a number. Import java.io.asterisk class Jupyter. Here you can take another name also, as class name is a variable. Here main function, public static void main, string args, throws, IO exception. Here another braces will open, and buffered reader in equals to new buffered reader, new input stream reader. System.in. Here there will be no spaces between these and these, and after it we will take a variable num, integer dot parse int in dot read line. This line is for accepting user given variable in num, user given constant in the variable num. So we are taking a number from user by giving this output, enter the two or more digit number, so that we can add first and last digit number of that given number. So we will then divide that number to the given number. So we are continuing. Here we will take the first digit of that number, t equals to num mod 10. So we will get the last digit of that number by this, dividing and getting remainder of that number. So that remainder will be the last digit. We will store it in t, and for getting first digit we are doing here we will count the number of digits that are in that given number. Here we will take the last digit of that number into the variable t by dividing that number with 10 and getting the remainder by modulus. Modulus is a sign to find the remainder. So we will get the remainder and we'll store it in t, variable t. And here we are running a loop in which we will get the number of digits in that number given by the user. So we'll count the number of digits. Here the loop will run and the number of digits will store in the variable c. And now we will run the loop, another loop, for getting the first digit. So we will run the loop for count minus 1. For example, we are taking a number like 2222. This number is of 4 digit. So in the previous part we have counted the number of digits in the variable c. Then the loop will run c minus 1. Like it is a 4 digit number, then it will run 3 times and the last digit will left behind. So in this loop we will divide the number by 10 3 times. So divided by 10, it will be we will store it in s. So this was our loop. It will run 3 times here and the last digit, which is 2, will left behind and 2 will be stored in the s. So here the first digit of that number will be 2, which will store in the variable s, and previously we have stored the last digit of that number in t by finding remainder of that number. So we get the both number, first and last. We will sum it in q, s plus t, and then we will check by implying if condition that the number given by user is divisible by the sum or not. If it is divisible by the sum, then we will get 0 as a remainder. So we will print here that the number is a Jupyter number. The number is a Jupyter number. Else, if this condition is wrong, then it will come to the else part. If the sum is not divisible by the number, then we will get some remainder, and if this condition is false, then we will come in the else part, and here it will be printed like the number is not a Jupyter number. So here ends our program, and we will we will give the braces of main method and class. So here goes our ending of the program, and you can also practice some more programs based on the number. So let me know in the comment section if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching the video.